Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete the workspace in Google Drive. Now let's begin. Well, you note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. Simply go to google.com and log in with your credentials. Now let's simply look at how to delete the workspace. On the left side of the screen, just below Activity, you will see something like Workspaces. Click on it right now. From here, as you can see, this is a workspace that I had previously created. Now let's look at how to delete it. I'm just gonna click on those three dots associated with this workspace. And as you can see, it's giving me three options like rename, hide workspace, and remove workspace. Click on the last option. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on remove. And guys, that is it. That's how we delete a workspace in Google Drive. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.